A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. The idea that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush is a valuable life lesson that can help individuals navigate their daily lives. It suggests that it is better to be content with what one has rather than take a risk for something that may not be as valuable. As a person, it is common to feel pressure to always strive for more, whether it's getting a better job, achieving more success, or gaining more possessions. However, this proverb encourages people to focus on what they already have and to be grateful for it. For example, one may have a supportive family, good friends, and a comfortable living situation. These are all things that one should be thankful for, instead of constantly seeking more recognition or material possessions. Moreover, it is important to weigh the risks and benefits of any new opportunity before making a decision. One must consider whether the potential reward is worth the potential risks and losses. For instance, one may be offered the chance to invest in a risky business venture. While the potential profits may seem attractive, it is important to consider the possibility of losing all of one's investment. In this case, it may be wiser to invest in a more stable and reliable opportunity.